The Nissan Skyline 350 GT, also known as the V35 or the G35, a popular vehicle produced by Nissan from 2003 to 2007. Sharing an almost identical platform as the 350Z, these vehicles are comfortable, powerful, and with good reliability. Powered by the VQ35 motor, these strong 3.5-litre V6 motors were featured on Ward's 10 Best Engine list for 10 years in a row. And this is my 2006 Nissan Skyline 350 GT. I've owned this car for nearly a decade and used as a daily driver, but with rising fuel costs, I've now relegated this car to the garage for some modifications. Which brings us on to our first mod, which is replacing the brakes with the Brembos from the more commonly seen 350Z. These 350 GTs did come out with the Brembo kit, but I believe that was like a sports package. This one obviously didn't, and you can feel it when you hit the brakes. It probably passed whatever tests and regulations are required to stop the car, but it's nowhere near enough. It's just, they're not good, and it's certainly something I wouldn't want to rely on if I'm going along the highway and I need to slow down really rapidly. And there's actually been a few times in which I have had to do that over the years, and I remember going, man, these are not good at all. So that's the first thing I'll be doing, is taking off these and putting on the Brembos. Kind of sucks, there's heaps of brake pads left on these brakes, so they'll be still good for somebody. So I might try flick this off second hand. It might be an upgrade for somebody. So for those wondering about the difference in size between the Brembo front rotors and the standard ones, it's not much, just a few mil. The real difference is in the ventilation. So on the top we can see the standard ones, and on the bottom much bigger ventilation slots. And that concludes part 1. In part 2, we'll bleed the brakes, install an intake spacer kit, perform an oil change, and go for a test drive while we wait for the turbo kit to be manufactured. I'm also on the hunt for a manual conversion, and we'll further discuss ideas for updating this car to a more modern look and feel. Thanks for watching. My name is Jeffrey. Have a nice day.